segmentation part. This here is defining the kind of segmentation we will be doing. Now let's understand it. Because lung sounds are non-stationary, that means their properties change with time. A wheeze may last half a second, a crackle may last 1000 milliseconds. If we analyze the whole 30 seconds at once, we miss these fine details. So we divide the signal into 0.25 second frames. Now earlier I mentioned the total signal has 44,000, and if we try to find the 0.25 second frames of that, we will have 11,025 samples with obviously 50% of overlap, which as I mentioned here, so nothing is lost. And this causes frames, but wait, many frames are also silenced.